Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. Ukraine crisis. The West unleashes swift bans against Russia. As pressure against Russia builds, so does the role of crypto. First Mover has the latest as the Russia-Ukraine crisis tests the role of cryptocurrencies in war and sanctions. Christine Lee and Lawrence Luton sit down with experts to examine various ways cryptocurrencies are being used and the implications. S. Elias Shetard of Solidus Labs, a market surveillance and risk monitoring hub, Alona Shevchenko, a Cranidao founder, and Kapil Rathi, Crosstower co-founder and CEO. The Ukrainian government is purchasing critical supplies including petrol, food and military equipment using cryptocurrencies donated as the country stands against a Russian invasion. Around $10 million has already been spent. The donations are being distributed from the government's digital wallets, set up by Kyiv-based crypto exchange Kuna, to other digital wallets before being spent, blockchain data show. By Monday morning around $6.5 million worth of Ether had been moved out of a government wallet to the exchange. CoinDesk has been tracking the inflow of more than $16 million of cryptocurrencies into 3 digital wallets, associated with Ukraine's defense against the Russian invasion. One wallet, set up by a local non-profit, had raised over $7 million in Bitcoin at publication time. The 2 others, one Bitcoin and another Ether, set up by Kuna on behalf of the Ukrainian government on Friday, had raised more than $8 million in total by Sunday. Chibanian and Midline would provide additional confirmation for long traders. The MANA price is resonating between the 50 and 200 days SMA. A breakout from either of these levels would offer an extra edge for the following trend. Today, the MANA price is green and shows a 9.87% from the base support. The coin chart shows the buyers also provides a bullish breakout from the descending resistance trendline. A retest of this trendline should confirm the sufficient demand and bolster the buyers to break out the $2.8. If they succeed, the buyers have their next stop at 23% high at $3.45. Alternatively, a possible reversal from $2.8 resistance would sink the price back to the $2.45 mark. Resistance level: $2.8, $3.45 support level. $2.45, $2. 2. We recommend you the top 5 new cryptocurrencies to invest in. Do everything thoughtfully. This is just analytics, and we do not call you to action. The best cryptocurrencies to invest in are plenty, and they are a wise hedge against unexpected swings in the financial market these days. Cryptos, like cash, can be used to buy anything, but it also has the benefit of being a high-yielding investment. However, because of the volatility of cryptocurrencies, it's vital to understand what you're getting into before investing. Polygon, Matic, for massive scalability. Polygon, Matic, is an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. It also serves as a platform for creating and connecting Ethereum blockchain networks. Matic lowers transaction rates on the Ethereum network, while dramatically enhancing transaction speed. For the announcement, the banks have all been sanctioned by Western governments following Russia's attack on Ukraine. The announcement added that holders of cards from these banks will be unable to use them outside Russia and when shopping on e-commerce platforms that are registered in the country supporting the sanctions. The central bank stressed that cards and other payments from the sanctioned banks, as well as from all other banks, will continue to function normally inside Russia. In Moscow, some residents were already lining up at ATMs yesterday to withdraw cash, as fears grew that withdrawal limits would be imposed in Russia, the Wall Street Journal reported. The news could provide yet another boost to Bitcoin, BTC, crypto adoption both in Russia and elsewhere, as residents learn about its properties as censorship-resistant money. Google and Apple have not yet commented on how the sanctions will affect their payment services. In a speech on Thursday, however, US President Joe Biden said about the sanctioned banks that every asset they have in America will be frozen, and the West will limit Russia's ability to do business in dollars, euros, pounds, and yen, to be part of the global economy. Other than the US, the European Union, United Kingdom, Japan, and Australia have all said they will implement sanctions against Russia, including the freezing of assets held by Russian financial institutions. The EU is also in talks to freeze the assets of Russia's President Vladimir Putin and Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in response to the invasion of Ukraine, Euronews reported. However, freezing these assets is a move more symbolic than actually punitive. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, MANA, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. MANA has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. MANA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price MANA Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MANA will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. MANA Rate Prediction 2026. MANA will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. MANA Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, MANA is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.